everybody, I am Attila Tanner. Welcome to a brand new episode of Next Talk. I hope you're all doing well. It's been 3 weeks since the last video, so it's time to give you all an update. In this video, we're going to go over the big tech highlights of them. They reported, so quite interesting information there. Also, then we're going to go over the regular reporting for US, Canada. We're going into the different categories of value stock, dividend, growth, attractive, and pricey ones. So let's get started. Let's get started with the highlights. And Apple was the first one up. They had a 4% year-over-year sales growth. Our price target for them has been increased to $229. Amazon reported a 10% year-over-year sales growth, and our price target for them has been increased to $222. Google reported 12% year-over-year sales growth, and our price target for them has been increased to $189. And Microsoft reported also 12% year-over-year sales growth. However, in their case, we lowered the price target to $397. All right, let's look at some other companies that recently reported. Meta reported impressive 21% year-over-year sales growth. Our price target for them has been increased to $634. Tesla reported a modest 2% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been increased to $342. However, they're trading higher than that at the moment. Eli Lilly reported impressive 45% year-over-year sales growth. Our price target for them has been increased to $688. However, they also are trading higher than that. Netflix reported 16% year-over-year sales growth, so our price target for them has been increased to $890. All right, those are the highlights for this time around. If you're curious about price targets of companies I did not mention, you can always log into nexttalk.ca. You have a 30-day access to the website, and you can search there in the search bar for different companies. And you can actually also compare some of the companies with each other, how Nexttalk is viewing them, which one might be better. So all the information in Nexttalk is basically gathered from the company's website. It's a program, so it's not my own making of those numbers. They are all computer generated using my formulas, of course. We also have a top 10 list, which is good for US and for Canada. It's 10 top 10 lists, actually, for all the different categories, all 5 for each country. So you can check them out there. It's quite good. And this gets updated as soon as I have new data and the new data is pushed out. All right, check it out. Let's start with the US market, and we go into the value stocks there. Top 3 at the moment. ExxonMobil, followed by Bank of America and Wells Fargo, who's a newcomer. In Wells Fargo's case, they have a $260 billion market cap and price to earning of 15. JP Morgan, who has been in the list forever, has actually gone out this time around since their price to earning was a little bit higher than our threshold. Dividends in the US market, we have Walgreens, followed by HSBC and Verizon. They are the one making up the top 3. Top 3 growth at the moment in the US, Nvidia, followed by Micron Technologies and Coinbase. Attractive ones in the US market, this one is comparing sales growth with stock price growth and comparing the delta between the two. So in this case, Moderna is number 1, followed by Beyond Meat, and PDD Holding is on spot number 3. Micron Technologies, who was in the list, is out from top 3. If you look into the PDD Holdings situation, for instance, their sales is 50% growth, while the stock price is 19%. And because of that delta, they make that list. Pricey ones is it's the reversed, basically. So if the stock price is growing faster than the sales are growing, they will be in this list. And also if they have a very high price to sell ratio, they will be in this list. So UpLoving is the number 1. Robinhood is number 2, and Cloudflare, who's a newcomer, is on spot number 3. In Cloudflare's situation, they had the sales growth of 27, while the stock price was going up 107%. Peloton and Tesla was also in the list. They are out from top 3. All right, that's the US one. Let's go into the Canadian market, and we start with the value stocks. Top 3 at the moment: Royal Bank, Bank of Montreal, and Bank of Nova Scotia. Dividends in the Canadian market, Bell, followed by TELUS and Whitecap Resources. Growth ones in the Canadian market, Brooksfield Wealth, followed by Newmont and Lundin Gold. Attractive ones in the Canadian market at the moment, Newmont, followed by Lightspeed, newcomer on spot number 2, and Bausch Health in spot number 3. Endeavour Mining and Rogers are now out from top 3. Pricey ones in the Canadian market, Franco-Nevada is a new number 1, followed by Shopify is also new in the list and spot number 2. Onyx is on spot number 3 like last time. Celestica and TransAlta is out from top 3. Alright, if you like those videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one, hopefully in 3 weeks' time. Meanwhile, you can follow me on X or Blue Sky. I will post whenever there is something important happening related to stocks. Always gather a lot of information before jumping ahead and buying stocks. Until next time, bye-bye.